Friends, I have an update for you, and this is it. I have built an onboarding for Placescore. Until now, there was only a white screen with this sign in with Apple button, and it's not done yet, obviously, because this is not the great illustration that is going to be there. I think I might try to build something in Blender for these, but yeah, this is a very classic slider thingy telling you what's going to be something to explore inside of the app. And this is signed in with Apple, which already works. If I now copy my password here, go in here and do this, we can see that this will now connect me to Firebase. I will then select a name, in this case a name that is already taken, turns out. This one is still available. We can also do this and select some kind of image that fits my needs, and I feel very much like these flowers right now. And now we get to the interesting part. It's not done yet, and there's also missing 2 steps for location access and notification permissions. But this is something I wanted to try. Now we are joining a team. Placescore has 2 teams, as I showed you in the last video. They are currently called Team Triangle and Team Taurus. Those are placeholders. And this is a very, very complex algorithm that defines in which team somebody belongs by answering a couple of questions. Let's go. It's what the button is saying and also what I'm doing. I'm going into the screen. Inside of... Okay, let's go. You are answering questions, for example, this one. I will answer them based on my real answers. I put on trousers first, I think. No, that was wrong. I actually do put on my socks first. I don't know. Ketchup or mayo? Ketchup. Toothpaste or water first? Obviously water. Nobody wants to put their toothpaste on a dry toothbrush. Early bird, por favor. And I'm not a creep, so super speed. And now, speaking of super speed, keep in mind that all of this is still just me playing around, but have a look at the background, the little animation in the background that is based on the 2 team colors, by the way. There's and they are like it's an always changing ratio of which team has the most color in the background. It's there's a whole concept behind it. But now I'm going to answer the last question, and you will see a complicated algorithm that calculates my team. And as I said, have in mind the background animation. Boah. Nice. And I'm in this team. Based on, as you can see in the background, this complicated calculation that basically shows, looks, hey, how many people are in this team 1, how many are in team 2, and how many of them are active. So I also see how many places they own. If it's the same amount, then just pick one of the 2. If it's more in team 1, then put them into team 2 and the other way around. That's it. That's the whole thing. All those answers are just being deleted right now. In the background, there's a whole deletion. There isn't. They are gone now. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm inside of the game. Being able to... Oh, I redesigned this, by the way. It looks a bit boring, but you can see my user account is there. And also, if I go here and select this new user, the team ID is saved as well. This is nice and was a big piece missing on my way to the first public test flight thing. Right. Thanks. Bye. I don't know where the stop recording button is. Here.